Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today I have received a lot of food. Thank you so much, My Food Merkado, for making me the first judge. So I have received 8 different food products from our friends from My Food Merkado who joined the contest. So the very first product that we'll be tasting is the Rosquillos chocolate balls, and this is it. So this is the Rosquillos chocolate balls, and it came along with the ribbon, of course, so presentation is good, and it felt like Christmas because green ang lid and then our ribbon was red, so I felt that it was almost Christmas season. So muna siya, there are 6 balls in it, so we'll be tasting it. So yan ko kag-usa. Yes, and we made sure it's refrigerated before we vlogged it.
Rosquillos, di ba katunang?
Dingin. Kasi ay, it's actually my favorite from Linuan. What's inside is, I think, mashed Rosquillos and covered with chocolate, and then there's
Sprinkles.
colored sprinkles on top. First of all, I was not expecting na pwede din na siya sa Rosquillos. I never imagined Rosquillos to be in a ball. To be a ball with chocolate cover and sprinkles. So very great idea. Very creative. It's sweet.
Not too sweet.
Not too sweet.
Okay ka siya. Pwede ka makakaog pila ka pieces in one sitting lang kaya di din siya
Why umay?
Cool.
These are again the Rosquillos chocolate balls. Next in the list, Roska cake.
Spoons. No, bitaw na kung gano'n na.
Na may spoon actually, pero sa lahi na yun na product, okay na?
Pero na.
Okay, so I would really like to thank whoever sent this product. I'm not gonna name you. This product came along with utensils, guys. And the best part is, wooden ang iyahang spoon fork. And that is really a plus points kayo siya na po, guys, because I'm an eco warrior and I really love businesses who are pro planet. So gamito na mo inyong kutsara ha. But of course. Alright, so we'll be tasting the Roska cake from Miles Homemade Pastries Shop. I'm not gonna tell the name of the person who sent it, of course, but I'm gonna be mentioning shops.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. So I think due to transit, medyo na lanay ang iyahang chocolate, but we'll not be focusing too much on presentation because of course we're here to taste their products. So yan, do the honors.
Okay. So, na siya yung layer, mura siya ay ta sa tilawan. First is ang unsa Rosquillos, then maglagay cream, then ang chocolate on top dayon. Lami siya, pero feel na ako mas okay yun siya if bugnaw.
Bugnaw pa man siya, pero mas dami ni
Bugnaw yun, gahi siya ba? Like,
paghayon siya ng cream.
Kaya para mabilin ang crunch gani sa Rosquillos. Kaya if dili siya bugnaw kay murag mo absorb ang mga
Moisture sa
Yeah.
Rosquillos.
yeah.
Lami iyang chocolate, guys. Lami ang lasa.
Ganun ko ani. Murag nindot siya for snacks, yun.
Dessert.
Dessert.
Karon pa ni siya gi-join ang contest. Of course, kay this week pa man nag-start ang Titay's fusion contest. So, grateful kayo mi. Ubay-ubay yung tamis sa mga tilawan today, but that is the Roska cake. It's Rosquillos plus chocolate plus milk. Cream or milk? Okay, so that's the second bit. Patuyan, no? Third on the list is the Rosquillos Margrette cake, sponsor sa kutsara na wood. So, this is how it looks like. You can see mangoes at the sides. Baga ang ilahang crust, which is, I think, mauna siya ang Rosquillos. And baga po nilang cream, if you can see. And there's also nice ilang presentation here. You can see it. Even if simple lang ilahang sulanan, just clear plastic, but gibawi nila sa presentation sa
Arrangement sa mangoes.
So, ito yung put Go yan, do the honors. Ooh, creamy.
Gahi iyang crust.
Oh,
Unang sa ako ang cream, kaya di na ko makuha ang crust.
grabe siya pagka press.
Na siya okay. Abi na ko, kaning white there kay cream ranita na siya yung murag chiffon cake. Kani ba? More siya ng chiffon.
Oh, true. I also thought na cream lang good siya. But guys, when you take a cut, I'm not sure if maklaro ninyo guys.
Ibakit na.
Here. Okay. Na siya chiffon. Murag chiffon siya na cake.
Ala.
Lami siya, uy.
Ano siya? Creamy.
So on this Rosquillos Margrette cake, expect that there's a base. The base is the Rosquillos. Gidugmok siya. Gi-crust siya.
May taste naman.
On top of the Rosquillos is the chiffon cake. And then, gi-cover siya og cream na baga. And then, a lot of mangoes on top and at the sides. So, muna siya ang Rosquillos Margrette cake from the Crave Man.
Nice iyang ang combination sa more texture. Nice iyang texture if like imo siyang imo i-try tanan siya. Okay, mix up ang
Rough sa base.
ang iyang pagka-crispy sa crust, ang kahumok sa chiffon o ang ka-creamy sa cream.
Yung sugar bits sa yung crust. Must try. I don't really know how much the products cost because they were just sent to me to judge the taste, of course, presentation and all, but I don't really know the price. So that I will be announcing perhaps tomorrow during the judgment because we won't be telling you who is the winner in this vlog. You need to watch for it in the announcement tomorrow. So guys, motto siya again is the Rosquillos Margrette cake sa Crave Man. Thank you for the support. Next on the list is the mini Rosquillos. Kani medyo unique po ni siya cause I think it's this one.
Rosquillos and macaroons risagol.
Yes. So on one pack, you will see heart-shaped. Medyo na-doubt ang chocolate sa usa, but it still looks good. All of them looks good except this one. And what's inside are six kabok Rosquillos ug macaroons. Kuha yan.
Cute. Cute siya, cute.
So it's actually good for cute gifts to your lovey-doves. Okay. So, akong tantan-tangan.
So basically, kuan ra gid siya. Macaroons, ang pinakaubos, chocolate og ang Rosquillos. So more
Here.
gisagol siya tanan.
Okay. So, macaroons, chocolate, and the Rosquillos. Crunchy pa ang Rosquillos, guys. Ganahan ko.
Mas okay siya compared sa kanang plain lang gani nga macaroons kay dili boring ihang lasa, ihang texture. Since na siya chocolate o cookies.
Dili lang siya lubi mo matilawan. Napay tsokolate, napay kanang crunchiness sa Rosquillos. Mauto siya ang mini Rosquillos. Nami mo? Puro man lami, oy. Alright. Next product on the list is the Rosquillos. I don't really know what it's made of, but I'm sure that it was fried. Smell yan. Kamote?
Dili mo siya torta og taste. I mean smell.
Torta o smell. More siya itlog. Na itlog?
Oh, itlog.
Okay. So,
So in short, savory siya, di siya dessert.
sumura ni siya sudan.
Yeah.
But the twist is, muna siya guys, ang Rosquillos, they have matching sauce na mo na ako siya glaze.
Wait. Oh.
Sige daw.
More of ketchup and crushed
Aslong.
ketchup, then
Mayonnaise.
crushed na Rosquillos.
Wala yung mayonnaise?
Ketchup and combination siya, ketchup and mayo.
Ketchup mayo with Rosquillos. And then kanida yung Rosquillos. Tilawan na to yan tagsata.
Savory. Pila ko, bagay na siya sa ihang kuan.
So, we have never tried Rosquillos with egg.
Rosquillos nga gihimo siya murag sudan instead of
Like
dessert.
like this one.
Yeah.
So, kanida yung fusion contest sa MFM, dili na gud di desserts. Gusto mo sila yung sudan di pang apit.
Na yung mga bits of Rosquillos
Yes.
yung wait, ako sa siya analyze.
But there's something fibery yan.
Wait, magbuto.
Meat?
Wait, hindi ko ka-distinguish siya. Gusto na siya yung meat.
Here. Wait. Beef or tuna? Basta karni siya, no?
Mushroom na.
Ha?
Mushroom. Ano siya yung mushrooms? Na siya yung, basta meat. Ay, mushrooms.
Ipaduol daw yan. So we're not really sure, but mushrooms daw. I think it's carne, pero naa siya sa egg, naa siya sa torta. Rosquillos.
Torta nga.
Rosquillos.
Rosquillos.
Oh my gosh. Well, it's my first time to try it.
Pero
And
yung taste,
it's really
yung
unique.
taste, dili siya super kanang layo kayo yung taste sa kanang regular nga torta.
Ano siya lamas nga?
Nailamas. Like, yung taste lang, Jude, is kanang normal nga torta, pero na siya yung sweetness gamay tungod sa Rosquillos.
Who would have thought na pwede sudanon ang Rosquillos?
Pwede siya i-appeal. Pwede siya sundan.
Nahulot na po siya. Pwede kayo sudanon, guys. Pasensya na sa background noise. Ang tangki sa tubig nag-refill. Okay. Gapatong na yung Let's get it on. Next on the list is Roska Choco mallows. So, childhood na mga favorites, no? I think this is it.
Choco mallows. Remember Choco mallows yan?
Kanaan natin.
So I like their package.
So far,
There's-
siya ang
Nice seal. It's
like
like
shoeness of packaging.
and it's resealable. Of course, the containers are resealable. Most of them. So there are 3 Choco mallows inside.
It's big.
Prito nga tayo.
Nagdito ka na tayo.
Hindi ko na murot ang
Basta mo pa.
sige. It really resembles the Choco mallows that we usually buy before in school, pag elementary. Also something.
Yeah. Paano siya? Kanang ang Rosquillos di like ay pero mura kay siya kanang ang mallows di sandwich siya sa Rosquillos na gi-cover of chocolates. Mura siya.
I think it's dark choco. Medyo pait-pait siya, no?
Hindi siya dark choco pero hindi lang siya kanang
Sweetened.
hindi siya nga nakatamis na type of chocolate.
You can really taste the cocoa.
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 KKU.
Sa mga hinamis, this is a must try. Baga yan chocolate.
Unlike sa katong regular or katong
Oh, nipis man tong chocolate sa atong mga katong childhood food. Oh na siya. Baga yan choco, guys.
di ba ang katong si pa na Choco mallows?
Roska Choco mallows.
Compared ato ko sa is more on mallows mo kani more on biscuit and chocolates.
Compare ito sa commercial.
Nga ang sa commercial kay more on mallows siya.
I need water. Nanambok na gid niya ni tilaw pagkaon, guys. Pero si Marian laban mo jud niya
Padayon lang kas pagkuan send of foods.
So that was the Roska Choco mallows. Next, palumos sa gid ani, guys. The Tidon 5 different flavors of milk tea. The milk tea pa more, nagyabaan lagi na
Pinaka-exciting na part para na ko.
oh, ganahan ka na siya milk tea. Rosquillos yan. Kindly show it to them and what it's made of.
Dark chocolate nga.
Rosquillos Choco.
Okay. Okay.
Rosquillos.
Okay, mix.
Oh, ipatuwa daw ni nila. Mix. And the third one is the matcha Rosquillos. The fourth is the peach mango Rosquillos. I think it's with nata.
Mango.
Here. And the Rosquinoa. Okinawa with Rosquillos.
Wala sila naging manong sa bestseller nila.
No, actually not. We have tasted a lot of brands and each brand is really unique. But progno ni siya ang pinaka-unique. Kinahin Rosquillos. So tilawan natin siya, guys. Which one will you taste
So,
first?
try first
Peach.
kanang
Peach mango.
peach mango Rosquillos. Peach mango. Oh, nagi-chinata.
Yeah, then mix. Rosquillos. I think this is taro. This is taro. Turo. Sa pagkasuwat niya, murag na papas manggod ang taro. But this is taro and Rosquillos.
Okay, I'm try.
You try.
Makita dyan mo ang Rosquillos.
So let's go ahead and taste. guys, you need to be careful. Kailangan ninyo i-mix maayo kaya ang Rosquillos is medyo rough siya sa tutunlan. Ikaw mo ka. So please be careful. Kaya kasi na ay mga bits na wala good kayo siya ma-blend together with the liquid. So basin ma-choke mo. So make sure it's well mixed.
Para kung more siya
Taro.
or walang yung tananan, unusual lang yun kaya ang more ang texture sa
Because most of it is really just smooth, liquid.
usually ang
Nakurat lang mi. Nakurat lang mi guys.
pero wala kay siya yung pan man like dili man wala kay siya yung contribute na ang texture na agad siya no mabantayan siya niyo.
Try it.
Okay, try what's the girl? Wakinawa?
Kinawa o Rosquillos.
Okay.
Kuya, waning peach mango Rosquillos, oy.
Mas I like this better kaysa sa peach. Kaya mas tamis sa peach.
Ano wala ni straw? So, mo to ang 5 available flavors sa Titay Rosquillos fusion nila sa ilang milk teas. Mo to ang amoy kasulti niya. You just need to be careful upon drinking because it might not have been properly blended. So, kailangan nyo i-mix well and then just make sure you sip moderately. So, it's not your usual milk tea. It has a Rosquillos twist. And last but not the least, Marian, is the Lutong Bahay Maria Ave. This is from Lutong Bahay ni Maria Ave. And butter siya guys ha. Tinuod din nilang contest. So, let's try to open it. It has a lettuce niyan. Lettuce bed of roses. So kani mga gipanghatag nila nako guys, majority of this we really have not tried in our entire life. So we will now taste the chicken fillet. Medyo banha dyan ang background guys, kaya ambot ko na sobrang mapuno ang tubig. So go ahead yan. Na siya'y waffles, na siya'y murag tuwon ba ni? Or atay siya, atay sa tilawan. It comes along with peanut. I think mo na ilang giingon na peanut sauce. Right? Corn. So this is the lumpia nada. It's a lumpia and empanada. So what's inside is I just saw corn. There's egg and siya karne. Raisins. Unique po yung lasa, no? Kay siya peanut butter sauce.
Ang mga basic nga ingredients sa empanada is na diri. Ang nakalahi lang is iyang wrapper and peanut butter sauce.
Peanut butter sauce.
Empanada dyan yung taste, pero if i-mix mo sa peanut butter sauce, kay more siya na yung like na siya ma-add na sweetness sa empanada.
So it's an explosion of different tastes. Sweet, salty,
Sweet and savory.
savory, taste savory.
Savory! Kana
Umami.
mapalat.
Let's hit the chicken.
So, ang chicken, ang fillet is na siya'y
Chicken fillet.
topping.
Rosquillos chicken fillet with crunchy toppings and Rosquillos coated lumpia nada with peanut sauce crunch toppings. My goodness. Karon pa po ko katilawan eh guys. So ako na tilawan with my sister later on. Let's try to see kaning ilang mga mugna if unsay resulta ani.